Hey everybody, Jeff here, Helpful Contractor, installing a new fart fan, exhaust fan for a bathroom in a remodel. So this is not always there's lots of ways of doing this. How you document this and send some pictures to the inspector. All right, here's what we use to put that vent up. All right, got a few drywall screws to attach the box to the rafters. And we're going up against rafters in there. You might be going up against something else. 10 snips to cut our ducting. This is 4-inch. It comes semi like this at Home Depot or Lowe's. You got to crimp it together, not crimp it together, you got to push it together. As you're pushing this together, they just lock in. You go all the way down. Once you get them, you can see how it's uneven there. Tap it on the ground, tap it with 2x4, or you can just start with it nice and flat first. All right, so there's your 4-inch duct. This particular vent fan, it came with the duct adapter to go from the box, from the actual case box of the motor inside. Came with this already. We just taped it right here and then going up to the roof. So man, that was our I think it was an $80 one from Home Depot. Properly secure the fart fan, the box, the ventilation box, to a joist to rafter. Make sure that when you're putting the wires in, make sure that you put a grommet on it. We want to protect this wire as it's going through the metal case. Get your ducting that's the appropriate size for what the fan is requiring. If you use a rigid pipe, you can get away with 4-inch. If you use a flex duct, you need to step it up to a 5. Foil tape on all the seams. Oops, let's back it up just a second. This is what that elbow looks like before it's all taped up. It is adjustable, so it can go anywhere from a 90-degree all the way down to straight if you just need to extend it. But you can see how easy it is to move around. All right, let's get back to it. Including the seam going up and down. Then we go through the roof with a 4-inch roof vent. So there you go. Kind of a little breakdown on what a exhaust fan looks like in a remodel. Woohoo! When you're cutting this stuff, it gets really, really sharp. So these corners are very sharp and they will leave edges that will make you bleed really fast. So be careful when you're cutting that. All right, there's your exhaust fan in a remodel. Hope that helps.